Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Revolver Ocelot Medium, guys. Today I'm going to be talking about how to find the Boost nominated publications on Medium. So to start it off, I'll talk about what is the Boost program. The Boost program is basically a program in which your articles on Medium are curated and they are distributed on their newsletter, email list, and all across Medium. And their social media as well. This means that you have a chance to get millions of views on your articles and get thousands of dollars, my friends. This is a massive program, the Boost program. And Tony Stubblebine was talking about, the CEO of Medium was talking that last year since the inception of the Boost program, 17 million or something views have been distributed. I can't misquote him. I have to check these facts again, but I saw one of his articles for Medium Day and he said something like this. I'll make a separate video for that, my friends. So there will be a link in the description box that I am citing from right here, and here are the list of publications. Now you might be asking, what is the Boost nomination? Boost nominated publications. The Boost nominated publications are those publications in which they have Boost nominators inside them. They are the staff members of these publications, like editors or owners. And if you see, let me make it a bit easier for you guys, for those experienced people who know Medium platform, Zuli Rain and Senem Gunel, they are both very well known personalities of Medium, and they are the publication owners and editors of Better Marketing, but they are also Boost nominators. And I think Zuli Rain is a employee of Medium as well. Don't know about this about Senem Gunel. So you can submit your the submit button is right here. You can submit your request to become a writer in these publications, my friends. And all of these require drafts and stuff like that. Personally, my friends, in my point of view, I won't be joining any Boost publications because I don't have a good editor with me right now who can edit my articles, and my rate of writing has increased. I am publishing 4 articles per day now. So I will not apply the editorial standards of my articles is not that good enough. It requires a lot of hard work, my friends, but you can apply. This is an opportunity to get thousands of dollars, my friends. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. I'll be signing off. Take care.